What's good, YouTube? Today we got this special package in the mail, and the reason why I say it's special is because this is my first time ever buying from StockX. I've sold through StockX to other buyers, but I've never bought from StockX or from other buyers through StockX. The only funny thing is that I always thought that, you know, we ship our shoes to StockX. Their warehouse in the United States, and they verify the shoes, make sure they're authentic, and then they send them out to the buyers. Well, I don't know if this is the case for me, because whenever I received the email that my shoes were sent out to StockX for verification, it did show that they were coming from China. They were coming from Hong Kong to StockX, and then from StockX I got another email saying that they were shooting them out to me from within the United States. But as I'm looking at this label, this is a DHL label with the original Chinese address on it from Hong Kong. So I don't know, did it really make it to StockX? Did they really verify them? I don't know. But you know, ain't nothing to worry about fake Reeboks and fake other brands, because none of this stuff really gets bootlegged but Jordans and Yeezys and those high-end shoes. But nobody's gonna be bootlegging some Reeboks. I mean, what would they profit, you know what I mean? So without further ado, again, let's open this box up and see the content. Here we go. Y'all still with me, YouTube? Oops, upside down. There we go. If y'all ever bought from StockX, let me know if this is what they send out, if this looks like they package this stuff. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the box. Man, the box is crisp. No dents, no nothing, no rips, no tears. Here we go. Shaq and size 10. Tag, all that good stuff, model number, colorway. Alright, so let's open these up and take a good look at them. Okay, so yeah, these were verified from StockX. See that? Well, actually, I'll let y'all know how much I paid. I did pay $117.88 out the door, which is purchase price, sales tax, processing fee, and shipping altogether $117.88. I think that was pretty cool. It was actually a bid. I didn't directly buy it at a set price. I threw up a bid for $90, and somebody said, hey, you know, I'll sell them to you. So look at this. So they sent a little holiday postcard, which I think is cool. They didn't have to, but they did it. Look, they got the sticker in there. So I guess they did verify this stuff, you know. What else is in here? Take a look at the money shot. Okay, look at that. Got the thing hanging on there. You like that? Man, these are nice. I do got a OG colorway pair that I bought a year ago, but I haven't worn, and I'll tell you why. Here we go, story time. The OG pair that I bought a whole exact year ago from Reebok is a 10.5, and me not knowing that I'm a size smaller in Reebok than I am in Nike, I don't like the way they fit, so they've been sitting in their box for over a year. Brand new, 10.5s, never worn them, never seen daylight. But never mind them, let's look at these. I like that they kept mostly everything original, just inverted. They didn't really add too much. The only thing is that this would have been white if they were truly inverted, because the tongue and all this stuff up here, the padding is black on the originals. But still, you know, they use their head and make this thing happen. I think this is also black on the originals, the toe box, except for this part right here. Let's take a look at the materials. So this up here, it don't feel like genuine leather. It feel more like some synthetic type of leather. I could be wrong, but it's just the way I see it. From the last pairs of Reeboks that I've been buying, they've been coming out with some nice premium leather. We got nubuck. Everything that is black is nubuck, except of course the padding. But you got nubuck in the back. You got that old Dunk Mob logo, the Reebok logo right there on the tongue. And this is silver stitching, as well as the front Dunk Mob and the rear Dunk Mob. Just like the OGs. The only thing is the OGs would have the silver stitching for the logo right here on the lateral side. And man, I'm not sure if the OGs have a logo on both lateral and medial side. I'd have to go back and look. But one thing that I do remember is that their stitching is silver. So look at the padding. All this look like it might be different material here in the padding and in the tongue. Could be wrong, but for some reason I just feel like it is. Let's take a look at the other one. Everything is the same. Let me show you the bottom. So you got the hexalite in black. Look at that. I don't know why you got that right there. Take that off. Again, hexalite in black. Let me see. Yeah, so the guy, Kicks Reason, is some guy I watch on YouTube a lot because he got all the Reeboks, retros, and of course originals that haven't even been retro before. And he did mention that this window with the hexalite was painted black, and I can see exactly what he's talking about. It's probably too small for the camera to pick up, but he is right. They did paint it black. You can't see it. He was pretty upset about it, but me, I don't care. Nobody's really going to look right there. I'm not going to look right there, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really care about that. To begin with, this hexalite ain't even the original hexalite technology, so let's just keep it moving and keep it like that. I'm going to show you guys the inside, the insoles. Trying not to forget things like that, and of course I'll show you the tongue tag. I'll actually even start with the tongue tag. So there we go right there. You can read that. Let's take a look at the inside. Let me see how easy it is to take the insoles out, because if it's too hard and glued in, I won't even bother taking them out. Let me show you like this first. You got the Shaq logo in there. You got that barcode sticker that they usually throw in all their Reebok shoes. And oh yeah, man, I think this thing is glued. Won't be able to take it out. I mean, I don't want to try. I'm gonna just leave it in there. Even the insole's different. It got like this, the mesh type of, see what the tongue look like. That's exactly how the insole is. I'll show you some B-roll shots. That way you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, these are it. Shaqnosis, OG, flip or inverted or reversed. I really don't remember the exact name. I want to say it's called flipped or reversed. I can't remember. So this one the same thing. You just got the Reebok Shaq Dunk Mob logo in there. So I'll just take some up close shots so you guys can see all the little fine details and stuff. But what you guys think? You like that? Hit that like, man. And I got more unboxings coming on the way. So for now, let me give you guys the on feet.